This is all my sketchbook, pencil and color collection. That one. Tombow Mono Zero Size Eraser. One of my favorite.
My pencils. These all are my favorite. I am in love with them. H pencil with light shade.
That's 8B with heavy shade. It's charcoal soft pencil.
It's hard one.
My white glass pencil. And all this I use in my pencil sketch. Oh, it's my sketchbook. I love this one. This pages are too good. My acrylic colors. It's too cheap and good.
Oh, that my favorite color.
I use the Sol brushes. They are cheap. I got this in only $199. And they are good too. It's too soft. This brush I use in pencil sketching. And I am in love with them. These are my all brushes.
Watercolor tubes. They are not too good, but it's good if you are a beginner. And it's come under 99, so it's affordable too. All my cheap watercolor. My pencils.
They all my pencil color. That black paper sketchbook. They are to a book. But I am thinking to draw something on it. Comments down below if you want next video on it.